Hi guys! Today we're going to be making a no-bake cheesecake. This recipe is so simple and the result is delicious. Before I start this recipe, please subscribe and like this video and also turn on the notification bell. You can receive notifications on future videos and cool things like this one. We are going to start from the crust. I'm using graham crackers, but you can also use Oreos or stuff like that. I like to make my crust super thick and the amount is also accordingly to your pan size. I'm using a 9-inch pan. It's not a springform pan, so I have to put something like a foil or something underneath the crust. But if you have a springform pan, I highly recommend using it. It will save you a lot of time. So let's get back to the crust. I also left the ingredients and amounts in the description box below, just in case if you didn't catch it. You'll need around 10 to 25 graham crackers, like here, and you can crush it in a food processor or like how I'm doing it. So just put it in a bag, all of them, and just crush it using a rolling pin. This is not fitting. So now I'm done with the crust. So you just want to add in about 1/4 cup of sugar. And just mix until it's well combined. And also add in your melted butter. You just want to mix so all the pieces, the crumbs, are like well mixed in. So because the melted butter acts like the glue and bonds all the crumbs together, so your crust will hold. Want to mix. So I'm just putting the crust in. So right now I'm just smoothing out all the crust. So after you're done with the crust, just set it aside. We'll move on to the cream cheese filling right now. So right now I'm just adding the cream cheese and also add in this sweetened condensed milk. And also add in your lemon juice. And blend using a hand mixer, or you can blend by hand. Alright, so now I'm done blending, and now you want to add your heavy whipping cream. And also add some sugar if you want. You don't have to, but this is optional. And just blend until the heavy whipping cream forms stiff peaks. And you'll see changes. Now I'm going to dissolve 1 pack of gelatin in some hot water. I like to add a little bit because it's easier to dissolve and then add more later. So I'm just dissolving the gelatin. And add some more hot water. So after you dissolved your gelatin, you want to pour into your cheesecake so it can set. And just mix it. After you mix in the gelatin, just pour into your crust. This is not going in. I'll show you guys after I finish pouring. Smooth it out. And after you're done smoothing out, like somewhat smooth, it's okay. Just pop in the refrigerator for about 4 hours or overnight, and then it'll be ready.